The tag is a crucial part of any HTML document. It's like the behind-the-scenes area of a website. While it doesn't directly display content on the page, it holds essential information that browsers and search engines use. Think of it as the control center for how your web page is presented and understood. The entire HTML structure is like a sandwich. The is at the top like a hat on the sandwich. The content you see is in the which is like the filling. A simple way to remember this is that the is for the browser and the is for the user. Several important elements live inside the tag, each serving a specific purpose. Let's break down the key players. Tag. This element sets the title of your web page, which appears in the browser tab or window title bar. It's also used by search engines to understand the content of your page. Meta tags. These tags provide metadata about the HTML document. They won't be displayed on the page but are used for various purposes. Examples include character set. Specifies the character encoding for the document like UTF-8. Viewport. Controls how the web page is displayed on different devices, especially mobile phones. SEO, search engine optimization, provides information to search engines about the page's content like keywords and descriptions. Tag. This tag is primarily used to link external CSS files to your HTML document, allowing you to separate the styling from the content. Tag. The tag is used to embed or reference JavaScript code in your HTML document. JavaScript adds interactivity and dynamic behavior to websites. Tag. You can use the tag to write internal CSS styles directly within the HTML document. This CSS will apply to the elements on that specific page. Tag. The tag specifies the base URL for all relative URLs within the document. It's useful for simplifying URL management on your website. Let's illustrate the correct usage of these elements with some simple examples. Tag example, meta tags examples, tag example, tag example, tag example, tag example. The tag plays a critical role in how your website functions and is perceived. Here are some best practices to keep in mind. Always include a descriptive tag. Use meta tags effectively for character encoding, viewport settings, and SEO. Link external CSS files using the tag for better organization. Add JavaScript functionality via the tag, placing scripts before the closing tag for optimal performance. Utilize the tag for small page-specific CSS rules. Consider using a tag for consistent URL management if needed. By understanding and correctly implementing these elements, you'll ensure your website is well-structured, search engine friendly, and provides a great user experience.